Mess around my video shit. Alright.
Oh, no, you did not. They gonna smack that.
What's up, y'all? You know your boy Don. We back at it again with another video, right? Alright, so I'm gonna keep it hot with y'all. This is gonna be a really short video, nothing really too special, nothing really, major, you know what I'm saying? Right now we're about to make some meatballs. And so the thing about this meatball is gonna be kind of special. You know, this is what we got that old-fashioned ground beef right there. We got some barbecue sauce. We got that marinara sauce. We got that cheese right there. Alright, we'll make this video, not really a video, we made this really special is because for one, you probably want to save this whenever we get done making it, because it's gonna be 2 parts. It's gonna be kind of a 2-part video. Reason why we're gonna need the meatballs. So let's go ahead and get into it and show you how you really get on and get this good. I don't know what am I talking about, son. All right, let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. I got done with all that going on right here. And I got all my meat and that sounded weird. I got all my meat in one bowl, and what I'm about to do is just about a little. Alright, welcome back, y'all. Just put my meat in a little bowl here, and all I gotta do now is just season and break it apart. But you probably asking yourself, why I got this second bowl right here? Well, it's because I'm gonna split it up. So what you just gonna do is you just wanna, put some salt on it, pepper, some onion powder, and just mix it in. Don't be scared. You gotta you probably put some grip on, like bear call it. So you just go like this. All right. So you want to season a little bit more. Sound season. All right. We're back. I just had to wash my hands. So right now I'm just opening my cheese. And we got a sprinkle on that. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Still mixing everything up. Alright, let me go ahead and handle this, and let me go ahead and split it up, and I'll show you what we gotta do when we split it up. Alright, see y'all. Alright, welcome back. And so now all I gotta do now is I just gotta pour the marinara sauce in this one, and don't be shy. You gotta put a good bout in that. And I'll put the barbecue sauce in this one. So now all you think is gotta do now is mix all this in here. Alright, once you get that mixed in, just gonna move on to the next one. Let's push that bad boy side. Now down to this one. Dang, it y'all smell good. But now what I'm about to do with this is I'm about to ball it up and however size I want to toss in the oven. So let me go ahead and handle this. I'll be right back. Alright, back at it again. And so basically, this is what the meatballs look like when they get done. And don't worry about all that, that's just all the fat and all that unhealthy stuff right there. And so basically what the meatballs is, you can make anything with it, we'll go with it. I know I said that twice, I know that. What I chose to make with it was some pasta with some penne. And what I'm about to do is I'm about to toss that up with some vodka sauce. And that's what it basically look like, vodka sauce right here. And so, and also, if you want to learn how to make pasta, just like comment below and I'll make another video. So let me just go ahead and toss everything in and I'll show them when we get done playing it. Alrighty. light right there. I'm set it on the plate. Dang, that junk steaming, son. That junk steaming, though. You see the steam come off of it. Well, I know it looks a little weird because, like I said, pasta and everything, you can make that with anything, whether it's spaghetti or whatever you want to do. I chose penne, and basically, it's kind of like penne alla vodka. It's basically like penne sauce, the vodka sauce, toss it in with the meatballs. Boom, bada bang. Like that. So, you know, I'm really hungry. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the whole time, I was killing those meatballs. I was like, damn, I kind of want something else to go with this. That's what came up with this. So now, what we're gonna do is, you know, got a little meatballs, got a little noodles, got a little sauce on it. You know what it's going into? Let it go to my mouth. That thing good, man. That thing good. That thing good. That good. Hold up. That thing good. That thing good. Yeah, man. So just go ahead. Hold up. Let me just go ahead, hit like, subscribe, all that stuff right there. And hopefully you can stay tuned for the next video. So y'all have a blessed day, y'all. And it's all good.
Left hand, no rings. You call me not like a Kenobi. Right hand, 5 rings. You call me champ like I'm Kobe. This track won't sing. I come for your neck like I'm Broly. Won't hold, no shots. I let them fly, leave you holy. They trying to stop me, it's all over melanin. I sense the evil, they think I'm a felon. And I contemplating arranging some settlements, hoping that maybe I'll raise to some betterment. Better in situations that I'm facing. My sister, she crying and all over lettermans. Don't wanna have to go off while I'm telling it. Sick of the disrespect when it's from telling it. Whoa.